My video guide will provide you with instructions on how to effectively remove the new adware, which is called ComputingInvolve. ComputingInvolve is the special adware which is designed for Mac computers. This adware is the part of the AdLoad malware family, and it targets Mac computers only. This ComputingInvolve adware is often spread through fake software or browser update alerts. For instance, there may be some sudden pop-up in your browser mentioning that you need to update your Adobe Flash Player or some other software. Interacting with all these pop-ups is dangerous and may lead you to the installation of this ComputingInvolve adware into your computer. Anyway, this adware, once installed, may start randomly displaying the great number of misleading pop-up advertisements and may also redirect you to a lot of questionable websites. And eventually it will damage your computer sooner or later. So if you have discovered this ComputingInvolve to be the part of your Mac, access your Finder, go to your applications, look for this program called ComputingInvolve, right-click on it and move it to the trash. If you find any other suspicious programs here, remove them too. In order to make sure that your system is free of other possibly hidden threats, I recommend that you research it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get its fresh version on this website, combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and click on Start Combo Scan button. The software should first of all update its anti-malware database. And of course, this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware. Then, at the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of all the threats which were revealed on your computer. You will be able to know the exact locations of threats on your system. We strongly advise that you upgrade to the premium license. Even though some threats can indeed be removed manually, we believe that premium license is the best solution to keep your Mac protected and free of any other possibly hidden malware.